Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from Design Sense Software Technologies, the BricsCAD sales and support point for India. In this BricsCAD support video, I am going to talk about a common error that many users encounter while working with BricsCAD. In the screen you see in front of you, you can see that there is an error which indicates that the default.cui file or the menu file has not been loaded. So this can happen if the user interface file or the default.cui file gets corrupted for some reason. Now once this file gets corrupted, you can see that the BricsCAD menus don't load, and I have simulated the same here in my BricsCAD as well. You will see only the file menu and one item called menu, and there's nothing else on your screen. So this is a very frustrating error and users often don't know how to resolve it. In this video we will show you a solution for the same. It's very simple. You can just come to your file explorer or your Windows Explorer, and to go to the C drive, go to users and choose your logged in username. In this case my logged in username is Rakesh Rao, so I'm going to choose this. In your case, if your system has multiple usernames like admin, user1, user2 and so on, make sure you choose the correct username or the one that you're logged in as. So I'm going to choose my username, then app data, then roaming, then I'm going to choose Bricsys and then go to BricsCAD, and under this you can see version 18, 19 or 20 depending on what version you have loaded. Now in this case the error that I showed you was in version 20. So I'm going to select this folder, right click and say delete. So why am I deleting the entire V20 folder under my user directory? That's because this folder contains all your customization and support file, and the easiest way for me to fix this is to just delete this entire folder and let BricsCAD recreate it once again when it restarts. So I'm going to right click, delete, so it's gone. So 18 and 19 I'm not going to touch because I don't have a problem with those versions. So now I go back to BricsCAD and I'm going to start new drawing. So you can see that BricsCAD has started normally now and all my menus have come back to normal. So I hope you can employ this method and use this solution to resolve your problems of corrupted default.cui file. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to get back to me.